Do you want to kickstart your day with a nutrient-packed breakfast bowl? It's no secret that a healthy breakfast is a gateway to a productive day. Today we're going to delve into the world of nutrient-dense foods and show you how to construct the perfect breakfast bowl. This isn't just any breakfast. We're talking about a bowl brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and all the goodness your body craves to conquer the day. Stay tuned to learn how to prepare this fantastic breakfast bowl that will fuel your body with all the nutrients it needs for the day. What makes this breakfast bowl nutrient-packed? It's all about the ingredients. Let's start with the base of the bowl, which is typically a grain. A popular choice is oats. Oats are an excellent source of fiber which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. This whole grain also contains essential nutrients like manganese, phosphorus and vitamin B1. Another fantastic base option is quinoa. Often mistaken for a grain, quinoa is actually a seed that's cooked like a grain. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also packed with fiber, iron, magnesium and vitamin B2. Now, let's move on to the toppings. Fruits are a delicious and nutritious addition to any breakfast bowl. For instance, bananas offer a healthy dose of potassium and vitamin C. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are loaded with antioxidants that support overall health. Nuts and seeds add a satisfying crunch to your bowl. Almonds provide a good amount of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, while flax seeds are known for their omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for brain health. Finally, don't forget about spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. These not only enhance the flavor, but also boast anti-inflammatory properties. Now that we understand the nutritional power of these ingredients, you're ready to prepare your breakfast bowl. Preparing your nutrient-packed breakfast bowl is simple and quick. Here's how. We'll start with the base of our breakfast bowl, the grain. You can choose any whole grain that you prefer, quinoa, oats, or brown rice. Just follow the cooking instructions on the package. Remember, the goal is to cook them until they're tender, but still have a bit of a bite. This not only adds texture to your breakfast bowl, but also helps to keep you feeling full longer. While your grain is cooking, let's move on to the toppings. A variety of fruits, nuts and seeds will provide a mix of different nutrients and flavors. For fruits, berries are always a fantastic choice because they're packed with antioxidants. Bananas offer a good dose of potassium, and apples bring a nice crunch. For nuts, almonds and walnuts are both rich in heart-healthy fats and protein. And don't forget about seeds. Chia seeds, flax seeds or pumpkin seeds can add a nice crunch and are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Now, let's arrange these toppings on your cooked grain. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Just make sure to distribute them evenly so you get a little bit of everything in each bite. Finally, it's time to add some extra flavor. A drizzle of honey can add a touch of sweetness and has antibacterial properties. Or if you prefer, a sprinkle of cinnamon not only adds warmth and depth of flavor, but is also known for its anti-inflammatory effects. But remember, the beauty of this breakfast bowl is that you can make it your own. Feel free to experiment with different grains, fruits, nuts, seeds and flavors until you find the combination that you love the most. And there you have it, your nutrient-packed breakfast bowl is ready to enjoy. A fantastic way to kickstart your day, packed full of vitamins, minerals and fiber that will keep you going until lunch. Enjoy! Now that you've prepared your breakfast bowl, let's recap why it's the perfect way to start your day. This breakfast bowl is more than just a meal, it's a powerhouse of vital nutrients. From the protein-rich eggs, which aid muscle growth and repair, to the fiber-packed oats that support digestion and keep you full for longer. We've also incorporated fruits like bananas and berries, providing a wealth of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, all essential for your body's optimal functioning. Lastly, the dollop of Greek yogurt adds a probiotic boost for gut health. This nutrient-dense breakfast not only fuels your day, but also brings several health benefits. It can increase your energy levels, enhance your concentration, and even support weight management. It's a delicious way to promote better overall health. So, enjoy your nutrient-packed breakfast bowl and kickstart your day the healthy way. Thanks for tuning in to NutriBytes Wellness Hub. And remember, your health is in your hands.